Hi guys, to receive this 2-in-1 fan and light, which is portable, it uses a USB Type-C plug to charge. It has a brushless motor. It has an 125 degrees of adjustable movement head of the fan, and it's a quick charging, so you can also charge your cell phone, anything you need, and it's safe and noiseless. Okay, so let's take it out of the box to see how it comes. This is a Type-C charging, okay? And in here we got the fan, okay? You can see it's quite small and portable, so you don't have to worry. And it has this little hook on the back, so you can hang it and point it wherever you need it. It has here the charging ports, the Type USB A and the Type C. Okay. And here we got the light. As you can see, little LEDs turn on, bright and bright. You can select up to 3 brightness. And this one turns on the fan. It has 4 speeds. Quite nice. So it's perfect if you want to do some, I don't know, well, camping and have a little light on your campsite, or even if you're going to do some maintenance work on your car. I think it's going to be perfect if you need some light. If it's hot outside, you can just hang it wherever you want it or place it like this. Okay, so it's really nice. It's really compact, which is perfect, and I like a lot that has all these movements, so you can adjust it however you want. Okay, it's quite nice. All the materials feels really high quality, so it's perfect, and I would really recommend it. It's perfect if you need a little fan to carry with you if you are gonna go on a trip, I don't know. So it's really nice, and I would recommend it. See ya.